Bring the future-ready CNBC TV 18 EBIX Cash Studio.
Welcome back. So let's quickly get to the stock ideas going for the day. Mitesh, good morning. Let me take it to you first. What are you looking at?
Good morning, Surbhi. I have a mix of buy and sell calls. On the buying side is ICICI Bank. It's come down to that big support area when the gap up happened post results. So that's a good buy with a stop at 764, a first target of 790, and then eventually 805 is what I'm looking at. Petronet is a buy with a stop at 232 for targets of 246. And on the sell side is BHEL. Keep a stop about 66.75 and look for a target of 61. And City Union Bank is a sell with a stop at 168 for targets of 155.
Okay, some mix of buy and sell calls there. Srikanth, what about you? What would be your buy and sell calls today? Oh, I think you're on mute, Srikanth.
Yeah, sorry. Good morning, Sonia. I think, the market is recovering from the lower boundary of the trading range. So we need to focus on those companies which are reversing from their important support areas. And in that, we like Titan, which is very close to its important support area. And it is forming a rounding bottom sort of formation. So here it's a buy with a target of at least 2600. We can keep stop loss at 2490 for the same. And the other stock which we like is Escorts. And it is in the range and it is very close to its important breakout level. So from here, the next level to watch out for would be 1650, 1660 on the high side. Escort is a buy at current levels with a stop loss again at 1500.
Srikanth, thank you very much for joining us. Mitesh, thanks very much for joining us with those. We'll come back to you a little later. There's, 2 minutes to go for the pre-open session. But we were talking about earnings and, we got some great companies joining us to talk about their earnings. Astral Poly is the next one. Second quarter revenues and profit growth was strong. Margins, like company after company has been telling us, has been a problem area because of input prices, PVC prices in the case of Astral. Hiranand Savlani is CFO of the company. He's joining us right now to take some questions. Mr. Savlani, thanks very much for your time. Good to have you here. 2 questions. One, could you tell us what was the volume growth in the pipes and the adhesives segment in the second quarter? What are those numbers for Q3 so far till date? And you've taken pretty large price increases in October. Is there any impact on demand at all?
So your first question was volume. So volume growth in the pipe industry was 20% in the last quarter, which was one of the highest volume quarters since after so many quarters. So the demand was very robust in the piping sector. Adhesive, I think volume is very difficult to arrive because it's a multiple products are the SKUs are there. Some are in liquid form, some are in PCs. So it is very difficult to arrive the exact volume. But in the value terms, adhesive has grown up by 36%. So I think both the sector, I can say that the volumes were excellent. You are right that we have taken a steep price rise in the month of October. But if you see the history of the CPVC piping, PVC pipe price has gone up by almost 40-50%, but the CPVC price rise was not taking place. But now there is a pressure on the gross margin. So we have taken the steep price rise because there is a rise in the raw material price also. So we have taken a 12% price rise in the month of October. And I'm telling you, after taking so much of steep price rise, in the month of October, we have delivered close to about 49 to 50% growth in our top line on a consolidated basis, including pipe and adhesive.
Mr. Savlani, I totally understand the reason why you had to take these price hikes, but aren't you worried? It's not happened in the second quarter, but going forward, aren't you worried that this might impact demand in some way or cause a shift back to, let's say, unorganized, just because the price hikes are pretty steep?
No, I don't think so, because unorganized doesn't have access to the polymer. Even the organized players are facing problem to get the raw material. So there is no question that the unorganized will come and take away the market share. So I don't think that will be the scenario. Secondly, we have to see the relative price versus PVC. PVC price has gone up so high compared to that CPVC has not gone up. So on the contrary, a lot of demand is shifting from PVC to CPVC. That is why you see in this quarter, we have given one of the best quarter, I can say, the history high quarter of Astral.
Okay. So that brings us to demand, right, Mr. Savlani? Because I remember when we spoke the last time, you told us that when a real estate upcycle starts, it lasts for at least 5 to 6 years, and you are seeing massive amount of demand from that segment. Can you tell us exactly where the demand is coming in from, which geography-wise, segment-wise, where's the maximum thrust?
I think the biggest demand driver is the housing sector. And today you see the commentary from all the developer who are listed players. They are talking very big, and the kind of number they are delivering, it is unbelievable. But at the same time, we have to also understand that we people get the demand with the lag. So whenever the housing number goes up, the first stage is the ready inventory will sold out. And then the second stage comes, the new construction activity will take place. So I think our turn will come maybe another 6 to 9 months down the line. Still, we have not reached to the level these developers have reached. So I think with some lag, we will get more demand.
So that would mean, if you're saying with some lag, you'll get more demand. That is it fair to assume that the second half of the year could be much better than the first half? I mean, the first half has already been spectacular for you with almost a 61% revenue growth. Are you expecting to do better than that?
Sonia, you see the history of Astral. The first quarter is always 40 to 42%, and second half is 58 to 60%. So definitely the second half should be better.
Product categories, Mr. Savlani, there was talk that you will enter the ceramics and sanitary ware segment. Have plans been finalized, firmed? Could you tell us more?
I think it is under preparation, so we have not still finalized the plan. Right now, the team is working for that, and we have given the in our press release also that in the next quarterly con call, we will unlock our plan for the sanitary ware and the faucet.
You'll need to make investments with regards to that. Is it already? I mean, have you already sort of announced that, or how will this happen?
No, we have not still announced, but definitely there will be some investment into that because that sector is a very big sector, and our expectation graph from that sector is very high. You know, almost 70% of the Astral dealers and distributors are selling sanitary ware and the faucet. So definitely Astral is going to take some market share in that segment, and definitely with investment will be there.
Yeah, I guess it's related expansion because typically when a customer goes in, you need pipes along with, of course, sanitary ware and other fittings. But in terms of just product margins, there is this, and there is also the plastic storage tank business that you announced and that you're sort of trying to grow. What will be the revenue pie, say a year down the line? And in terms of margins, which of these products between pipes, you're looking at sanitary ware, storage, which will perhaps give you the best margins?
I think sanitary ware and faucet will be at the top. Then led by secondly the pipe, and the third will be the tank. Tank, I think we have just recently started, so we have reached at the 4-5 crore rupees monthly run rate. But still, we are at the launch stage, and we have not opened up all our plant. We are supplying only from 3 plants, so we have just covered 5-6 states only. So I think South is going to be ready by December, and by March we will be ready with East plant. So then I think we will be trying to cover up majority of the state of the country, and then the run rate will go up. But right now, run rate is 4 to 5 crore rupees monthly. And second region of low run rate because the rainy season was there. So now rainy season is over. So we are expecting that now the run rate will pick up very fast.
Okay. All right, Mr. Savlani, thank you so much for joining us. All the best for the second half of the year. So that's the big takeaway from Astral. They say that the demand from real estate comes with a lag. So they expect the second half of the year to be better than the first half, which was already quite strong. The street is giving it 2 thumbs up. It's up almost about 6% right now. In fact, the market is also looking good. In pre-opening, it settled about 0.5% higher. Zee Entertainment